Right, well, here we are. This is installment number 16 on our logarithm lesson plan thingy. So what we're doing here is we're giving another expression to simplify. It's a log to the base 9 of 1. Now I can tell you right now, the answer is 0. Now, the reason the answer is 0 is a little bit more complex. In fact, the explanation doesn't quite make sense until you actually look at it. So let's dive in. First, we're just going to invent a pretend variable to represent this part of this expression. So we'll just say y is equal to log to the base 9 of 1. So we know that we can write this in the different way, that 9 to the power of y is equal to 1. So, 9 to what power is 1? If we take 9 to the first power, we get 9, because 9 times itself one time is 9. If we take 9 to the second power, that's 9 times 9 is 81. So what happens if we take, for example, 9 divided by 9? That's equal to 1. But how do we express that in terms of actually doing the math? Well, we know that 9 is 9 to the power of 1. And we know by the rules of exponents that 9 to the power of 1 divided by 9 to the power of 1 is equal to 9 to the power of 1 minus 1 is equal to 9 to the power of 0. Now that only works if you have the same base. It is rather interesting that you use the number to the 0th power. It's not equal to 0, it's actually equal to 1. If you multiply 9 by 9 0 times, it's 1. But if you multiply 9 by 0, that's how you get the 0. But 0 isn't actually involved in this equation at all, except in saying that you just don't multiply 9s. You're multiplying 1s instead. So, log base 9 of 1, we can go and know that we can write it back into our normal equation. Log base 9 of 1 is equal to 0. There's also a more general principle that log to the base anything of 1 is 0. Just because, well, technically I guess you could do log to the base 1, but then that would just be completely a pointless function. It doesn't even work. So log to the base anything of 1 is equal to 0 because this kind of a thing works no matter what the number actually is. You can try it with whatever numbers you pick. You can try 9 squared divided by 9 squared. That's going to be 1. You can try negative 1 to the billionth power divided by negative 1 to the billionth power. That's still going to equal 1. Take home message. Logarithm of 1 is equal to 0. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you have a good rest of the day. Hope this helps. Talk to you later.